Afternoon tubers, just thought I'd do a quick video just around a friend's house, and what a nice day we're having today on Sunday, March 2012. Excuse me there, just let wind, sorry about that. I've got the old bandit out today. I'd come up and see my friend today, see how he is, and do a quick video, a little update. I've got a few more videos I'm going to be uploading shortly. But yeah, so quickly do a quick start-up video. It's like sort of semi-cold start for all you cold starters out there. I'll get the thing out again. That's it. Well, we're on currently now we're on 19,772 miles. 65.2 on the last tank filled up, and we've got well, if you can actually see, you viewers, we've got one bar missing of the oh, that's 4:15 in the afternoon. One bar down, and we've done 65.2 miles on it. That's with no choke. Better not do that too much, I think I'll piss the neighbours off. It's a bit of a loud can on that. Anyway, that's a quick update, so I'll catch you soon, tubers, and take care.